Hi everyone. Today, I want to talk about voiceovers, and how I like to use them in my edits. First, I want to talk about some theory that's used in movies and TV shows, about how to cut dialogues in a smooth way. Let's take a look at an example.
You don't actually believe that, do you? You really do believe that?
Dreykov's dead. It took almost destroying the entire city just to get to him.
If you're so sure, then tell me what happened. Tell me exactly.
You can see that the sound of the voice of Yelena, in the first shot, continues in the next shot. The same thing happens in reverse, with the voice of Natasha, who is out of frame, being heard just a few frames before we cut to her face.
Dreykov's dead.
Then, we can see it a third time when Yelena replies to Natasha. This is not a universal rule, but I personally think it gives more substance to have the audio overlapping the previous or next shots. That is something that I like to apply to my voiceovers when I'm editing. It's a way to add continuity to your scenes, not visually, but through the audio. I hope I'm making sense? Let me show you how I do it. This is an edit I did a few months ago.
I am doomed to be alone forever.
I know you will end up in heaven.
Here, you can see the two voiceovers. This one is just a scream. The first voiceover starts a few seconds before we get to the matching clip, and keeps going a few frames after the end of this clip. You can also notice that the scream overlaps the previous and following footage.
Forever.
I know you will end up in heaven.
Now, here's a trick to easily shorten the clip while keeping your audio intact. By default, your audio and video tracks are grouped. So, if you shorten the video, the audio will also be cut. You can ignore the grouping by clicking on this icon here. You can now give your footage the length you want. Don't forget to click on the icon again once you're done, so you don't mess with the sync of the two tracks. If the audio track becomes red, it means you've fucked up. Now you know everything. I'm obviously not telling you to do it every single time, but I just thought it would be nice to share this little insight. Thanks for watching, and happy vidding.